When last did you have some body fitness? When last did you have some morning run? When last did you go to the gym and have some body fitness? But before then, welcome from whichever angle you're watching from. This is Nsugu Ano TV. This is your home of entertainment news. Now, the Kenyan gospel artist, self-proclaimed chairman of gospel, Ringtone Apoko, has bashed out Kenyan and Tanzanian ladies. And this is the video. See how she has told them about body fitness and about exercise.
Yo VP, leo huyu ni Ringtone, the regional chairman gospel music. Nataka kuambia wasichana wa Kenya na wa Tanzania kwamba mambo ya ngono, usherati, vitandani si mazoezi.